We're working in Module 12 and we're talking in this module about working with the Names feature. We've already gone through Section 1 and talked a little bit about how to create range names. And I mentioned to you that there will be times when you need to delete one. Maybe you want to change what it refers to. Those are things you might want to do in the Manage Names feature. We're going to go ahead and flip over to Excel. This is Section 2 of Module 12, Managing Names. Once you start creating range names, you're going to find that you'll need to edit these names. Maybe you misspelled one. Maybe you've moved the range that a name actually refers to. Maybe there's one you just want to delete entirely. You're going to be able to do all of that in the Name Manager. One thing to keep in mind is when you create a range name, it's in this file only. It's not in another file. You'll have to be in this file to actually make those changes. Make sure you're on the Formulas tab, and then you're going to see the Name Manager right here. This is a listing of all the names that you have set up in this file. You can see the values in the cells that it refers to, and you can also see exactly which sheet and which cell or cells that the range name refers to over here. If you needed to delete one totally, all you'd have to do is select it and click delete right up here, and it would be gone, and you wouldn't be able to get it back unless you did undo. You can also edit. Let's say that you want to edit the range that Jan refers to. Maybe you've moved those cells. If I click edit here, I can actually come down and select everything right here where it says refers to. I can hit the equal sign, and then let's say you've moved it over here somewhere. You would just click and drag through that new range, and you can see it's reflected right there, and then you just click OK. Now let's say that I name a single cell and I name it South America. I'll come down to A36. I'll go to my name box. I'll type S_America and I'll hit the enter key. And now you'll see that one's on the list. Now if you notice, I totally misspelled that and I'd like to go change that. All I have to do is go to the Name Manager, find that South American name and edit, and I can change that right here. All I have to do is spell it correctly now and go ahead and hit OK. And now that one's in the list spelled correctly, and it should go to A36, and it does when you click on it. Well, that's a quick way to work with managing the names that you have in this particular file. We need to do one more thing in this particular module. We need to talk a little bit about how to use range names in formulas. That's going to be very beneficial when you can look at a formula and see exactly what it is that you happen to be adding, for example, instead of just seeing a range of cells. Let's go over to Section 3 and I'll show you how to use range names in formulas.